Hello everybody, it's Alta here. Do you want to be let into the best kept secret in Eloff, Delmas? Do you even know that a place like Eloff exists in Mpumalanga? Well, today I'm going to take you on a tour, a yard tour in 360 of my newest small holding listing on a sole and exclusive mandate. I tell you, you're going to be surprised. I don't know if you've ever seen a property that is 1,981 square meters under roof. Well, today is your day. I'm going to take you on a tour. I'm standing here in the right-hand corner of the property. Over there you can see the 6-bedroom main house, which alone is 752 square meters under roof. Over here you see a 3-bedroom house, which is 149 square meters. And then I'll show you the rest as I continue. Over there is the stable apartment. That's a 2-bedroom house. That one is 134 square meters. Then there's an office, and that office is 130 squares. And then the biggest surprise I'll share with you in just a moment. Now we're standing on the other end of the property. I want to show you your fence. This is a fence and this is the neighbor's fence. So that white property that you're seeing there is the neighbor's property. This is the left-hand corner side of the property. I know. This property is a thatch roof, and oh my soul, who wants to buy a thatch roof? You can, because this roof is well maintained and the property is adorned with 5 lightning conductors, which makes it very safe to live in, and you will not have a problem with lightning here. I want to show you this beautiful dam here, which is the pool. I absolutely love it that this property doesn't have a kidney shape or a square shape or a rectangular pool. It's got a round pool that looks like a farm dam. Can you imagine your children running around this dam, which is then a pool, and they run and they jump and they play ball and they enjoy this outdoor space? I think there's a lot of work to be done here. As I try to zoom in here, you'll see there's quite a number of cracks, so it needs some fixing. It may need some Marblite. A specialist will be able to advise you on that. But once that is done, there are the little steps that lead into the dam area. I think your guests and your children and their friends will absolutely love playing here. And look how green and lush these trees are. That's all on this farm. This is the back of the house. And this little patio here comes from the main entertainment area. These 2 doors here come from the main entertainment area. It's massive. There's enough space for couches. There's enough space for a table, dining room chairs. There's a built-in braai there. And adjacent to that is also the pool table room. And the pool table is going to remain in the property. You will see that this property is absolutely neat all the way round. Oh, I must tell you now. Oh, yeah. This is another part of the house. The secret I'd hide from you in the beginning is that large factory. That factory is a whopping 814 square meters under roof. There's the stable apartment, the 2 bedrooms that I shared with you. Let's go closer to the factory. Here's the factory. Isn't it gorgeous? There's its side door, and it has a sliding, rolling, it's actually a rolling steel door on the other end. I'll show you. This area here used to be an arena for horses, so it's nice and flat, and it can easily be turned back into an horse arena if that is your thing. You can just put up your fence here, and your horses can frolic and play, and you can train them in this area. Another view of the back part of the house. These are bedrooms and a living room and a magnificent, large, super large kitchen inside the house. There's your factory, and over there's the rolling steel door I told you about. What is this? This is just a little of a compost heap. So that is the worst part of the property, is the small compost heap. That's not a bad deal, is it? I just want to show you, here is the gate and a fence that cordons off the main house from the 2-bedroom apartment in the stables, the offices, and the factory. I think it's very well thought out. So over here, it's a closer view of the stable 2-bedroom unit. In this area here, I think you can easily erect some greenhouses so that you can put vegetables or other plants in there that you can grow. I find this little gate so enchanting, isn't it? Oh my word, a real farm gate. This is also an area where you can put your cattle or your horses if that's what you want to do. Look how big it is. Look how short the lawn is. It is so well kept. And that fence that you're seeing there at the back, just behind the stable accommodation, that is the boundary fence of your property here. This is the office of the property. It offers an open plan office, a kitchen, as well as a conference room. You can see it's so far away from the main house. It's far away from the other accommodation, and it's walking distance to the factory or the manufacturing plant that you want to put up there, or the storage unit. Now this is a closer look at the factory. Over here's the side door that I showed you earlier, and then this is a roll up steel door so that large trucks can enter and exit. Over here's a shower with a small room inside the factory where one of your workers can reside. And if we look this side over here, over there in the distance is another unit where one of your workers can reside. You can see how open it is, and it's neat all around. So the gate is the neighbor's gate, and it's usually just locked unless it is used. Well, that was it. This is the layout of the land if you want to acquire a small holding where you can live, work and play in the same space. But I want to expand your thinking a little bit further. What if you change this property into a guest house? Because there's so much accommodation available already as is. And then you can maybe change this top floor here, which is a large, very interestingly looking living area, into the chapel for the wedding. Once you contact me that I can take you on a tour of this property, you will be able to see what I'm referring to. This is a very large garage here. A lovely lawnmower, tractor lawnmower is included in the deal, so for the easy maintenance of the grass. And remember, I also said the pool table in the pool table area is also included in the sale for you. So this unit here is a 3-bedroom unit. I already spoke about that. This could be the unit where the bridal couple spends their first night. This could be where the bride will dress up for the wedding, as it's not far for her to walk up the stairs and then move into the chapel and get married there. You really need to consider this unit and this whole farm, this whole package, this lucky packet that this farm is offering you. And I'm here for you. Please, please, please let me know what you think about it. Comment below and let me know if you'd like me to take you on a tour. Have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye-bye.